In this video, we will write a Java program to convert the array list to an array and then vice versa, which means converting an array to array list as well. So basically, we will write two programs. So we start by importing ArrayList. Import java.util.ArrayList and we create a ArrayList of string data type, and we create, let's say, programming languages, uh, programming languages. Okay, new ArrayList of string data type, and we add a few elements into it. Let's say dot add, we add java, and we add python, and we add another, say, c++. Okay, and we print that our array list is programming languages. Okay, and then we create a string array. Let's say we have array equals to new string array, and its size is basically same size of our programming languages. So we create the size of it depends on how many elements are there in programming languages, so we use that same size because array will also have same elements as we have an array list. And finally we say programming languages dot to array, and we pass our array. Okay, so this will basically convert all of the list elements into array, and finally we print for our string type of element in basically array, and we print each element. Okay, and in print we say or we just print our element. Okay, or I can actually remove ln and print a space, and over here I want to say that array is this. Okay, let's run and see the output. Okay, so we have array list as java, python, c++, and then we have our array, and array has the elements java, python, and c++, which means everything is working perfectly fine. So what we have done is we have imported array list, then we have created a array list of string data type, and we have named it programming languages. We have added three programming language names into it, and then we have just printed them. And then we have created a array of string data type with the same size of array list, and then we have used the built-in function to array of list and array list basically, and we have passed our array into it, which will basically, what will it do is it will convert all the elements of list into array, and finally we are printing the array. So now what we'll do is we'll create an array and convert it into array list. So let me save this code somewhere, and then we'll write we'll convert basically array to array list. So I am deleting all this. Okay, and I import arrays as well. So import java.util.arrays, and right here we create a string array. Okay, this array has elements, let's say java, we have python, we have c, we have c++. So basically we have four elements into our array, and we print it that our array is, and we call built-in function dot toString, and we pass our array. This will basically print the array, and then we create a array list of string data type, and we name it languages equals to new array list, and inside this I call arrays dot this arrays library, and it has a built-in function called as list, and in as list I pass my array, which is this. Okay, I pass this. This will basically create a array list, and it will insert all of the array elements into it. So now in language array list we have our all elements of array as well. And finally we print it. So we say array list is languages. So that's it. Let's run. Oh, cannot find symbol. This is not array but basically arrays. Okay, arrays. If you see, there is a s in it. There we go. We have our array with Java, Python, C++, and then we have array list with the same elements as Java, Python, C, and C++. So in this, what we have done is we have inserted arrays and we have created a array with the name arr, and we have printed it using arrays dot toString built-in function, and then we have created an array list of string data type named language, and inside this we have passed our arrays. We have basically passed our list, and before passing we have converted it. We have passed our array, but we have converted it to list by calling the asList function from arrays and passing our array. So this will convert it into the list, and we are passing it into array list. So this will convert the array into list. So now we will have all elements of array into our list languages, and finally we are printing languages. So that's it with this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in next tutorial.